It's rare to find a single kitchen appliance that can do as much as the Litchi multifunction programmable stand mixer. Between the self-heating bowl, the included blender, the meat grinder, dough hook, whisk, and standard mixing blade, nothing will stand between you and your next culinary masterpiece. At the core is 800 watts of power to blend, whip, fold, knead, and mix even the most heavy and dense mixtures. Everything comes together in the 7.5 quart mixing bowl, which has its own integrated heat system. 800 watts of heat are at your command when you need to temper chocolate, prove bread dough, prepare a fondue, make soup, or whip up your own yogurts. Best of all, these professional-grade features are controlled through the Quick Command control panel, which boasts multiple automatic modes in addition to manual control modes. Bring the power, the convenience, and the intelligence of the Litchi multifunction programmable stand mixer to your kitchen.
When the whole world is your inspiration. When you're doing what you love. When fresh ingredients mean fresh possibilities. You need a partner you can trust. Innovative, powerful, and precise. When you enjoy all the details, and there's nowhere you'd rather be. Control at your fingertips, brilliant design, impressive results. When you have the perfect accessory for every task and every delicious detail counts. Let's make your passion happen. Taste amazing every day. Kenwood, feed your imagination.